This is me, Frank, and this is my 2010 Volvo Xc70 T6 that's been extensively modified over the last year. Upon purchasing the vehicle, I had this absolutely wild idea to transform it from a regular-looking soccer mom wagon into an absolute showstopper and bring it to one of the biggest car shows in the world, Monterey Car Week. Monterey is situated in the state of California, which caused an issue. I had to drive the car over 9,000 miles in order to bring it down to California. This trip was absolutely packed with incredible moments, but unfortunately, some pretty bad things also happened. This is Tank Garage Goes to California, the trip of a lifetime.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I will be the man behind the camera. Today, it's time to take my Volvo Xc70 T6 on a cross-continental road trip. If you guys have been paying attention in the last few weeks, we've been getting my 2010 Volvo Xc70 T6 ready for the biggest road trip in the history of Tank Garage. We will be driving this bad boy on a over 45-hour road trip from Montreal, Quebec, Canada to Monterey, California, to go to one of the biggest car shows in the world, if not the biggest, Monterey Car Week. This is gonna be long, this is gonna be rough. The Xc70 is highly modified and we've gone through a lot of modifications that you guys haven't seen yet, but we'll see once we're back from the trip. Let's get on the road. Alrighty, Tank Garage fam, first official pit stop. We're here in Trenton, Ontario. Still got about 10 hours of driving today. We're here with the Xc70, which went through some pretty intense rain and now she's all dirty again, even though I cleaned her off this morning. We're here to get some gas, quick pit stop to go to the bathroom, and then we're back on the road. We have about 2 hours left before we're at the Canadian and American border. From then on, I'm gonna get about, I'd say, 7 to 8 hour drive to our final location, which is gonna be DeKalb, Illinois. Let's get on the road. Oh man, 16 and a half hours later, we made it here to DeKalb, Illinois. Today was a rough day. It's currently 1:40 in the morning. I had to stop for like 20-30 minutes to sleep a little bit. Tomorrow, we have another 15-hour drive. We'll see you guys on day number 2. Good morning, Tank Garage fam. Day 2 of my 4-day-long Montreal to California road trip. But today, we are in DeKalb, Illinois, and we are going to be driving to Rawlins, Wyoming, which is a 14 hours and 50-minute drive. Should be pretty much better than yesterday because I'm leaving about an hour and a half earlier. So now we're gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts, get some food, gas station, fill up the Xc70. So I've got my Dunkin' Donuts, because America runs on Dunkin'. Let's go. Show me the all damn day. Bump in. Show me the all damn day. All damn day. We're now 5 hours into today's stint. Stopped here at Taco John to get some food, and also, funny story, this come and go right here. Me and Evgeny actually stopped right there last year on the way back from Roadtrip. Fill up the Xc70, clean the windshield, and then we're back on the road. We got 10 hours left before we're in Rawlins, Wyoming. I think I'll eat outside. It's so pretty. Let's do it. I believe I got a cheesy quesadilla. So a 4-cheese chicken quesadilla and a cheesy beef and potato taco. A little food vlog for you guys. I don't want to put cheese on my spoiler, bro. It is saucy as hell. Let's get a bite. It's decent.
I mean, it's all right.
Not my favorite thing, but I wouldn't say it's a delicacy, but I mean, for quick food on the go, come and go. Here is the main dish. A little bit of chicken, a little bit of cheese. Let's take a bite. Dude, this is actually banging.
Damn, that shit good.
This channel's turning into food vlogs, guys.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Finish eating, drink some water, clean the windshield, and then we come and we go.
No f***ing way, bro! I'm beating an SRT, what the f***?
Sorry for the horrible quality and sound quality, Tangarage fam. I'm at a gas station right now. I'm shivering. It's so cold outside. I just hit a tire that was in the middle of the road. It's 10:30, pitch black. I couldn't see anything. All I heard was a big bang, and the car, I don't know. I can't even see because it's pouring rain outside. What a day, what a day. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna go away. I guess time will tell, so good night, guys.